Hi, my name is Stacy, and today I'm going to show you how to make my version of Chunky Monkey ice cream. With this recipe, it's a very basic old recipe that I've got from a 1950s cookbook, and you can actually just play around with it and make this kind of ice cream into any flavor you want. So I'm going to start out with the basics of 3 egg yolks in a saucepan. I've got a half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of milk. You want to keep stirring so that your eggs don't cook. And then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I have sea salt here. All I'm going to do now is continue whisking and heating this mixture up until it's very hot, but we don't want to bring it to a boil. The reason I'm doing this is so that we can kill off any bacteria that might be in the raw egg. You certainly don't want that in your ice cream. It would ruin your day. Here we go. Okay, so the mixture is now steaming. I'm going to turn it off. And now I'm just going to stick this in the refrigerator just to bring it down to room temperature. It doesn't need to be totally cold, but just at least room temperature because we have other ingredients to mix in it. And we want them to blend well. The mix is now ready. It's cooled down to room temperature. I'm just going to put it in this bowl just to make it easier for mixing. And now I'm going to add in 2 cups of cream. Now I do have heavy cream here, but I suppose the regular whipping cream is fine too. I have 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And I've got 1 cup of pureed bananas. Now if you wanted to make this into like a strawberry ice cream, you would just puree strawberries and any other kind of fruit flavored. That's how you would do this. Now I'm just going to mix this up. For those who have a regular ice cream maker where it just kind of freezes as it's turning, you can go ahead and put this in at this time. For me, I'm just going to go ahead and pour it into these containers because I have the Ninja Creami and I need to freeze the ice cream before I can blend it up. Now if you have other add-ins like sprinkles or chocolate chips or any of the nuts or whatever else you might want to put in your ice cream, you'll want to do that after it's all mixed up. So this looks blended enough. I'm just going to pour it in my containers and freeze this. Alright, so I'll be right back to show you the next step. The ice cream is now ready. I did have to freeze this overnight. I just wanted to show you how this Ninja Creami works. Like I said before, if you have a regular ice cream maker, that works just as well. It doesn't have to be a Ninja Creami. Let me go ahead and put this in here and lock it in place. Okay, so let's release this and take a look at it. This is when I would start adding in my add-ins. Like for this one, because it's Chunky Monkey ice cream, I'm just going to be adding in some walnuts and some chocolate chunks. So that looks really good. Well, that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.